Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and artistic, and I have made this on your massive request. Today's video is about Gujarati silai, Sindhi embroidery or patchwork. These are the different names that are being termed for only one embroidery stitch that is being shown to you in this video. So friends, before moving forward, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, all of these are all over embroidery patterns. All of these are very beautiful hand embroidery borders. You can also make these onto your shirts, onto your kurta sleeves, any type of dressing material you want. You can also make these borders onto your trousers, plazos, scarves, onto your stalls, onto your dupatta pallu, even onto your sari pallus. And you can also make them more beautiful by the use of mirrors, beads and pearls as per your choices. And they are not only required for designing dresses, but these patterns are also absolutely favorable for making all over embroidery patterns onto your dresses, saris and home decor like cushion covers, pillow covers, bedsheet designing ideas, and many more creativities according to your choices. So if you want to get more creative, stylish and funky ideas related to hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, ribbon work, fabric painting, and many more creative things related to fashion world, then please do follow us, and don't forget to leave comments below and let us know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed.